Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Study English Online, the podcast where we help you speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally, step by step. I'm Jason, your host.
And I'm Julia. Hi, everyone. I'm really happy to be here again.
Today's episode is called Train Your Mouth to Speak English.
Yes, because speaking isn't only about vocabulary and grammar. Speaking is also physical. Your mouth has to learn new movements.
Exactly. Many learners say, I know the words, but my mouth can't say them.
And that's normal. Your lips, tongue, and jaw are muscles. If you don't train them, they won't move fast or clearly, especially for new English sounds.
So in this episode, we'll give you a simple training plan. Warm-ups, sound practice, tongue twisters, useful phrases, recording, and shadowing.
And don't worry, we'll keep everything simple, practical, and fun.
Let's start with the big question. Why do we need to train our mouth to speak English?
Because knowing English in your head is not the same as producing English with your mouth. A learner might understand perfectly, but when they speak, the mouth feels slow, tight, or awkward.
I've heard that so many times. My brain is fast, but my mouth is slow.
Yes, and another problem is that English uses different mouth positions than many other languages, so your mouth needs new habits.
Like the TH sound, right?
Exactly. Words like think and this. If your tongue never practiced that position, your mouth will choose an easier sound and the word becomes unclear.
So mouth training helps with clarity, speed, and confidence.
And rhythm, too. English has stress and music. If you don't train your mouth, your speech can sound flat or robotic.
Now let's compare it to something everyone understands. Exercise. Is speaking English like physical training?
100%. If you want stronger arms, you lift weights again and again. At first, it's difficult. Later, it becomes natural.
So for speaking, the weights are repetition.
Exactly. Repeating sounds, words, and phrases trains muscle memory. Your mouth learns what to do without thinking.
Here's a quick test. Julia, what happens when someone tries a tongue twister for the first time?
They get stuck, they laugh, and their mouth feels tired.
Which proves the point. Your mouth is working like a muscle.
Yes, and the good news is, a little training every day creates big improvement.
Before we teach the steps, let's talk about common speaking problems. What do you see most often?
I see 5 main problems. Long pauses, speaking too slowly, translating in the head instead of speaking directly, fear of mistakes, small mouth movement, people don't open their mouth enough so sounds are unclear, and unnatural rhythm. Every word gets the same stress.
That small mouth problem is so real. Some learners are basically whispering inside their mouth.
Exactly. Clear speech needs clear movement.
Perfect. Now let's fix these problems with a step-by-step mouth training plan. Step 1. Warm up your mouth. 2 to 3 minutes. Julia, why should we warm up before speaking?
Same reason athletes warm up. It makes movement easier and smoother. A warm mouth speaks faster and clearer.
Okay, give us a simple warm-up routine.
Try this. Lips. Say ah, e, oo slowly. Big mouth for ah, smile for e, round lips for oo. Tongue. Move it left, right, up, down, gently. Jaw. Open wide, then relax and close. Repeat 5 times.
That's easy, and you can do it anywhere.
Yes, do it before class, before a meeting, even before a phone call.
What sounds should learners focus on first?
The sounds that cause confusion. For many learners, it's th, think, this, 3, r, read, run, write, L. Light, love, little.
And the rule is start slow, then speed up.
Exactly. Slow is not weak. Slow is smart.
I love that line. Time for the fun part.
Yes. Tongue twisters train speed and clarity. Start slowly, then go faster.
Give us 2 good ones.
Sure. She sells seashells by the seashore. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
The goal is not perfection. The goal is training.
Exactly. And laughter is allowed.
Sounds and tongue twisters are great, but learners need real conversation practice.
Right. Practice short phrases you can use today. How's it going? Could you say that again, please? I'm not sure, but I think. Can you help me for a moment? Let me check.
These phrases train your mouth in full sentences, not just single words.
And they train confidence because you'll actually use them in real life.
This step changes everything. Recording.
Yes. When you listen to yourself, you notice what your brain ignores while speaking. Unclear sounds, missing stress, rushed words.
And you don't need a studio, just your phone.
Exactly. Record 30 seconds. Listen once. Repeat again, but better.
Now, the power technique, shadowing.
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating immediately, copying pronunciation, rhythm, and speed.
Like a shadow follows a person.
Exactly. Start with short clips. 1 sentence. Repeat 5 times.
This builds fluency fast.
Yes, because it trains real English music, stress, linking, and intonation.
Before we finish, what should learners not do?
3 big mistakes: speaking too fast, too early, practicing silently in your head, you must speak out loud, and quitting after a few days.
Consistency beats intensity.
Always.
Simple daily plan, 10 to 15 minutes. Julia, give us a daily routine.
Here you go. 2 to 3 minutes mouth warm-up. 2 to 3 minutes key sounds. 2 minutes tongue twisters. 2 minutes useful phrases. And 2 to 3 minutes recording or shadowing.
That's it. No excuses. 10 minutes a day is possible.
And after a week, you'll feel your mouth becoming faster and more flexible.
Weekly challenge for Study English Online listeners. Let's give our listeners a challenge.
Pick 3 tongue twisters, 5 daily phrases. Practice them every day for 7 days.
Record day 1 and day 7.
And compare. You'll hear improvement, and that's real motivation.
That's the end of today's episode on Train Your Mouth to Speak English here on Study English Online.
Remember, English speaking is not only brain training, it's mouth training.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Study English Online, share it with a friend, and leave a comment. What sound is hardest for you? TH, R, or L?
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing.
Bye for now.
Bye.